Some interiors feel refined and timeless, while others look ordinary, even with a generous budget. The difference rarely comes down to cost alone, but to a few deliberate design decisions. Today, I'll share 5 professional strategies used to transform standard spaces into truly luxurious interiors. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the most valuable principle designers rely on, but rarely talk about. Secret number 1: textures and volumes. Many people think that a bare wall should simply be painted, but elite designers see every surface as an opportunity to create a tactile and visual experience. Here's the trick: transform one strategic wall into a centerpiece. Not all walls, just the one you see first when entering. Your affordable options include natural wood or veneer paneling, 3D textured panels, reconstituted stone, and decorative plasters with concrete or lime effects. Look at this transformation. By adding vertical light oak panels up to 8 feet high, this ordinary corridor becomes sophisticated and welcoming. The cost? Approximately $850 to $1,300 for 160 square feet, an investment that multiplies the perceived value by 5. Pro tip: continue the covering onto the ceiling for 12 to 16 inches to create a gallery effect that naturally guides the eye. The secret number 2, the focal point rule. Here's a truth the luxury industry doesn't want you to know. You don't need marble everywhere. You need marble in the right places. The strategy is simple. Invest in one premium visible element and save intelligently on the rest. Let's take the kitchen as an example. Central Island, Carrara marble, or exotic granite. This is your investment. Main backsplash. Same material for visual continuity. Base cabinets. Quality standard materials, save here. Side walls, premium paint or simple tile, save here too. Instead of spending $8,500 for marble everywhere, invest $3,800 on 43 to 54 square feet strategically. The visual result? Identical. Your savings? $4,700. Other effective focal points include a fireplace dressed with natural stone, a tufted velvet headboard, or a sculpted sink in the bathroom. Secret number 3, mirrors. Mirrors are designers' secret tool for creating depth. But beware. Poorly placed, they create confusion and discomfort. Here are the 3 golden rules of placement. Rule 1, face natural light. Place a large mirror perpendicular to or facing a window to reflect natural light and visually double the light input. Rule 2, never facing the entrance door. This is psychologically destabilizing. Prefer lateral positioning that creates progressive discovery. Rule 3, create a false opening. In a closed dining room, a 4-foot round mirror positioned like a fictional window transforms the perception of space. Recommended dimensions: small rooms 2.5 to 3.3 feet, medium rooms 4 to 5 feet, large spaces 6 to 6.5 feet or multiple mirrors. Budget: a large designer mirror costs $200 to $650. The impact on perceived value? Priceless. Secret number 4, the color palette. Experienced designers work with the 60-30-10 rule. Amateurs accumulate colors without strategy. Here's the winning formula: 60% dominant color, neutral and timeless, off-white, warm beige, taupe gray, or blue-gray. 30% secondary color. This adds character: natural wood, sage green, terracotta, or navy blue. 10% accent color. This creates the wow factor: brushed brass, matte black, copper, or emerald. Application example: walls and ceiling, warm beige. That's your 60%. Furniture and joinery, natural oak. That's your 30%. Accessories and lighting, brass and emerald velvet. That's your 10%. The fatal mistake to avoid: changing style from one room to another. A luxurious apartment tells one cohesive story. The secret number 5, layered lighting. Ordinary spaces have one ceiling light. Luxurious spaces have a lighting system. Here are the 4 layers of professional lighting. Layer 1, general ambient lighting, dimmable recessed spotlights or indirect LED ceiling lighting. Layer 2, architectural lighting, hidden LED strips that emphasize volumes and textures. Layer 3, functional lighting, reading lights, work surface lighting, and bathroom sconces. Layer 4, decorative lighting, designer pendants, sculptural floor lamps, and accent lamps. The light curtain technique. Installing an LED track behind curtains creates spectacular diffused light in the evening, transforming windows into luminous artworks. Smart budget tip. Investing $1,600 to $2,700 in a good lighting system transforms an interior more than $5,400 of new furniture. The ultimate secret. Here's the advice my wealthy clients pay the most for. Stop copying. Start questioning. Ask yourself these essential questions before any project. How do we really live day to day? What activities bring us the most joy? Which spaces do we use the least and why? What's missing from our current comfort? Examples of intelligent personalization. Case 1, cinephile couple. Transform the rarely used guest room into a mini home cinema with reclining seats and soundproofing. Cost $3,200 to $5,400. Usage 3 to 4 times per week. Added value immense. Case 2, kitchen-centric family. Eliminate the formal dining room. Enlarge the kitchen with a large convivial island. Result: intelligent space redistribution. Marginal cost. Daily pleasure. Case 3, remote worker. Create a real closed office rather than a standard third bedroom. Result: improved concentration and work-life separation. The lesson? True luxury isn't having more. It's having exactly what you need, beautifully executed. Remember the 5 pillars of accessible high-end design. 1. Texture and volumes on one strategic wall. 2. Noble materials on focal points only. 3. XXL mirrors placed intelligently. 4. 60-30-10 color palette. 5. Multi-layered lighting, and above all, designed for your life, not for social media. If this video brought you value, remember to subscribe and activate the bell to not miss any of my upcoming design tips. Tell me in the comments, which tip will you apply first in your interior? See you soon to transform your space into a haven of luxury together.